How to fix Roblox Error Code 103. Hey guys, welcome back. Today we will be fixing the error code 103 that comes with Roblox. So what exactly is the error code 103? Well, error code 103 is a general error code that occurs when you're trying to load your game mode or when you're trying to attempt to access any kind of special features. But there are a few ways that you can fix it and get back to gaming. Now, when this error code pops up, you usually just get the Roblox game you're trying to join is currently available, error code 103. There are no troubleshooting or resolution methods that are available that explain to you how you can resolve this issue. However, changing a few things can resolve this issue, such as age restrictions and privacy settings. You also need to take into account that you don't have any connectivity problems, because if you have a weak internet connection, this kind of general error can occur. So the first thing you can do if you are facing the error code 103 is to change your account's age. So for that, simply head on over to your Roblox account and you will find all of your information. Go into your settings over here and you will see your birthday over here. So you can verify your age, but what you want to do is if you have an age under 18, then you want to increase the age. Now, sometimes the 103 error pops up because your age does not match the minimum age required to play that specific game or to play that specific mode. Now, if you're under 18, I don't recommend that you lie about your age and try to play games that you don't have access to. But if you have a supervisor, if you have a parent with you, then you can ask them if they would allow you. Now, the second thing is that you can change your privacy settings. Now, you may not be able to join a game because you have private account or you have a private setting turned on. So to that, simply go on to your Roblox website and then you can go into your game section. So you can see this is my profile section, the join date, and I have my privacy over here. Now, you guys can see in my settings, we have privacy, and within your privacy settings, you have your account restrictions. So account restrictions are disabled. You can turn this on as well, but if this is turned on, that might be a reason that you're facing the 103 error, because your account is private and a lot of communication settings are on, your content is being filtered. So if this setting is on, then you will have more filtered content, hence why certain modes or games are not accessible by you. Now, another reason that you might have the 103 error is that you have your firewall. So this is very essential. The firewall that you might have is the protection you might have turned on. So you can go directly into your Windows settings. You can go into your settings over here and you can change settings and allow other apps to access your firewall. So you can just search for privacy and security over here, and you have your standard protection. This will detect all of the protection that you need, all of the basic firewalls. So you can choose to click on no protection or enable roblox.com to be able to bypass this firewall. This is usually going to resolve any remaining issues if you are still facing the 103 error on your Roblox games. So just to give a quick recap, the first way that you can resolve this error is simply by changing your age in your account by going into settings, going into your account info, and changing your birthday. Make sure that you have also verified your age, because if you have not, they cannot take your word for it. So make sure to verify your age as well. The second way that you can fix the Roblox 103 error is simply by changing your privacy settings. The third way is that you can go into Google and change your browser's privacy or protection settings and allow for Roblox to bypass the initial firewall or the initial protection features that your browser provides. And this way, the 103 error will be resolved. If all else fails and you have downloaded the Roblox application, simply uninstall and re-download the application. And you can also clear the cache from your device or from your browser and then try again. If this issue still persists, then you will have to make sure to contact the Roblox help and support to be able to gain access to your favorite games. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next video.